Good morning, all students. How are you? Okay. We are going to learn vegetable name. Okay? Ready? Subhas, come here. Subhas, come here. What is this? What is this? Coriander means? Very good. Go, beta. Make a line. Go. Anika, come here. What is this? Tomato means? Very good. Make a line. Anaya Singh, come here. What is this? Tomato means? Tomato. Very good. Go there. Anubhav Singh, come here. What is this? Lady finger means? Very good. Go there. Come here. What is this? Onion means? Loudly speak. What is this? Onion means? Go there. Akhand, come here. What is this? Potato means? Very good. Go there. Rudrans, come here. What is this? Chili means? Mirchi. Go there.